Think about it. What are the biggest assets of Steve Jobs, Elon Musk, and Warren Buffett? It's time. The difference is that these people achieve more in 24 hours than others do in weeks, months, or even years. So the real question is, can you multiply your time the same way? If you still feel like you don't have enough time, try converting it into minutes. The moment you start counting your time in minutes, your brain will begin to rewire itself for efficiency. The world's most successful people don't just work in hours, they work in minutes. Once you learn to optimize every minute, success will no longer be out of reach. According to a Harvard Business Review study, only 2% of people effectively utilize their time. Stanford research suggests that deep work and focused learning can help you learn 50% faster. An NCBI study found that using the Pomodoro Technique boosts productivity for 85% of students. The problem isn't a lack of time, it's using the wrong strategies. If you want to study and work 10 times faster, you need scientific and practical methods. The day you learn to optimize every minute, nothing will stop you from achieving success. If you think I don't have enough time, you're mistaken. You're just using the wrong study methods. So let's explore the winning strategies that will help you study more in less time, like a smart student. Before we move forward, here are some practical, science-backed tips. If you follow these strategies, your study efficiency can truly increase 10 times. Step 1. Create a subject-wise chapter list. First, list all chapters of your subjects like physics, chemistry, maths, or any other subjects in a table format on a page. Break them down into smaller sections for better clarity. Print it out or set it as your mobile wallpaper for quick access. Step 2. Review your chapter list every time you pick up your phone. Every time you unlock your phone, take a quick glance at your chapter list. This will train your brain to frequently scan the chapters, making it easier to recall them daily. Step 3. Revise before and after using social media. Before opening Instagram, YouTube, or WhatsApp, take a quick look at your chapter list and mentally revise them. This simple trick will store topics in your subconscious mind, making learning effortless. Step 4. Revise in the morning and before sleeping. Morning and bedtime are the most powerful times for your brain to retain information. Make it a habit to review your entire chapter list every week for better memorization. Step 5. Categorize your chapters into 3 groups. Once you start remembering topics, divide them into 3 categories. Fully mastered topics, don't waste too much time, just revise them occasionally. Doubtful topics, these require deep study and need frequent review. Difficult topics, the ones that feel overwhelming, prioritize them and revise multiple times. The science behind this strategy: repeated exposure to your chapter list plants them like seeds in your subconscious mind. Your brain will automatically analyze and prioritize the topics that need attention. Every time you sit to study, your mind will already be prepared to focus on the right topics. Study like Elon Musk. Now, break every chapter into small, time-efficient segments and optimize your study sessions. Set a fixed time for each chapter. Ask yourself, how can I finish this in the shortest time possible? Once you decide the time, shift into fast execution mode. Now, let's move to the next step and unlock the best study techniques. Imagine that you are sitting in a cinema hall watching a movie. What did you do? You put your phone on silent mode, kept your snacks ready, and got completely lost in the movie. Now think, what if you treat studying the same way? This idea was shared by Gary Keller in his book, The One Thing, where he explains that when you focus entirely on one thing, your productivity increases by 10 times. Set a fixed time and place for studying. Remove all distractions, put your phone on DND mode, keep water, a notebook, and all your study materials ready in advance. Treat studying like cinema mode so that you can do deep work without any interruptions. If you want to study for 2 hours, treat it just like watching a movie in a cinema hall. Have you ever wondered how a delivery boy can complete his work faster? If he delivers each parcel separately to different locations, it will take more time. But if he groups the packages based on similar locations and delivers them together, his work becomes faster and more efficient. The same principle applies to studying. If you are studying physics, maths, and chemistry, do not make the mistake of switching subjects every 20 to 30 minutes. First, complete physics for 1 to 2 hours, then move to maths, and then chemistry. This way, your brain learns more efficiently. Focus on one thing at a time instead of constantly switching back and forth. Successful students adopt a practical approach. Your timetable should not depend on your motivation. According to MIT research, 95% of students fail to follow their schedule because they set overambitious goals. That's why you should make your timetable realistic. If you plan to study for 6 hours, first set a target of 4 hours. But once you complete this 4-hour target, challenge yourself. Can I study for 30 more minutes? If you study for more than 4 hours, treat it as an achievement and reward yourself with something small. This reward can be anything: enjoying your favorite snack, playing a short game, or taking a 10-minute refreshing break. What will this do? When you study more than your planned schedule, you'll feel a sense of accomplishment, knowing that you exceeded your own expectations. This will boost your confidence and motivate you to push yourself even further next time. This is exactly the mindset that successful students adopt. They set small, achievable goals, but always give themselves an extra push. If you keep thinking, I will study for 6 hours every day, but end up studying only 3 hours the next day, your self-motivation will start to decline. The solution? Set a daily target of 4 hours and consider any extra time as a bonus. This will make your schedule practical and help you stay consistent in the long run. Have you ever noticed that successful students always write down their ideas? That's because a busy mind is not a productive mind. If your brain is constantly multitasking, oh, I need to complete my chemistry assignment, I have to practice maths, I also need to prepare for next week's presentation, then your brain will become overloaded and you won't be able to focus on anything properly. The ultimate solution to this is the brain dump strategy. Every night before sleeping, take 5 minutes to write down your tasks for the next day. This is a small investment of time, but its impact is incredible. When all your tasks are written down, your mind will be free from unnecessary stress and confusion, allowing you to stay more focused and productive the next day. How to apply? Create a structured to-do checklist for your exams. Monday, history revision, focus on timelines and key events. Tuesday, chemistry numericals, only practice problem solving, no new concepts. Wednesday, English essay writing, create an outline and write within a time limit. Extra hack, set priority levels. High priority, the most important task that must be done the next day. Medium priority, important but slightly flexible tasks. Low priority, tasks that can be done but are not urgent. Ultimate benefit. The benefit of this will be that no more wasting time thinking, what should I study today? Your mind will stay clear, reducing stress and anxiety. You will maximize productivity by making the most of each day. This is the same strategy used by Bill Gates, Richard Branson, and other top performers. Detox your mind before sleeping and keep your roadmap clear for the next day. The correct way to use Pomodoro. Study for 25 minutes without any distractions. Take a 5-minute break, stretch, drink water, or close your eyes to relax. Start another 25-minute study session. After 4 Pomodoro sessions, take a 15 to 20-minute long break. Like, if you're studying physics, follow this method. 25 minutes, understand concepts and theory. 5-minute break, refresh yourself. 25 minutes, focus on problem solving. 5-minute break, relax and refresh your brain. The benefit of this will be that no overload, your brain stays fresh. Longer study sessions without exhaustion. Short study bursts double your efficiency and focus. This is the same technique used by top performers and high achievers to get more done in less time. Now, an ultimate recap. Optimize your study 10x. Cinema mode. Treat studying like watching a movie to enter deep focus mode. Batching technique. Group similar tasks together to boost brain efficiency and retention. Practical scheduling. Create a flexible and realistic schedule to maintain consistency without burnout. Brain dump strategy. Plan your next day before sleeping to keep your mind clear and stress-free. Pomodoro Technique. Use 25-minute study bursts to maximize productivity and avoid exhaustion. If these techniques were helpful for you, like this video, share it, and comment below which technique you're going to follow the most. How to optimize your study like a smart student. Now you have all the powerful strategies that will help you study smarter, learn faster, and retain better in less time. But remember, just knowing is not enough. The real transformation happens when you start applying these techniques in your daily routine. Imagine this. What if you followed these 5 techniques for just 30 days? Your focus will become laser sharp. You will learn more in less time with better retention. Your consistency will improve drastically. Your study stress will reduce, and productivity will skyrocket by 10 times. Now it's time to take action. Start optimizing your study today, apply the Pomodoro Technique, and write your first brain dump tonight. Remember, knowledge is not power. Applied knowledge is real power. If these techniques feel like a game changer for you, like this video, share it, and comment below which technique you're going to try first. Next video, how to overcome procrastination and stop wasting time. Stay tuned and keep learning.